Morning! It is a beautiful, sunny, gorgeous day here in Sydney, and I'm thinking that brunch might be the best way to start my day here. So I thought I'll take you along with me. I'm going to try this place I found on Instagram actually, and the food looks amazing. So come with me. So this place I found is called Room 10. I've just found this in a really small little road, a small square, and it's packed. I thought I've got here early, but so did many other people. So I'm going to have to wait here for a little bit for my breakfast because there's a queue and a waiting list. Wow, I was blown away by that brunch. God, every single dish was amazing. The bread with ricotta, banana, honey and almonds. Oh, Mediterranean brunch, which was their weekend special, was amazing. The combination of flavors, the presentation, and what really surprised me was they were making it all in front of us. The kitchen, you can see, is tiny, but they are working so efficiently. I'm impressed, absolutely impressed. So, Room 10, you were brilliant. Right, so the brunch is done, and what to do next? Well, I'm thinking some cake. So I'm heading to Black Star Bakery, which is very famous for its watermelon strawberry cake. So I am going to get myself a slice of that. Boy, that was not just stunning looking, but absolutely amazing piece of cake. I also enjoyed my black sesame slice. Wow, I've loved it, absolutely loved it.